Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn next part of lesson number 2.2. Nature created man and woman as equals. Yesterday we have seen that Tomba is the father of Lanthoi, and it's a very loving father as well as is a supportive husband of his wife. His profession is lawyer as well as social worker, and he work for the women. Means he is the advocate of women. Means he fight for the women. He does not discriminate or difference between the man and woman, and he always extend his helping hand to the household chores. Means all the household chores he help to his wife and children, and that's why because of his helping hand his wife become a successful professional. And means uh, when he discussed with his daughter Lanthoi, that time he tell about means world is still full of inequalities. We have to find the way to bring equality between men and women. Now next part of the lesson. Her father's words are still ringing in the ears of Lanthoi, and she tells her mother of what her father has told her. Means her father's word still ringing in her ears of Lanthoi. Means whatever her father told, means world is still full of inequalities. Means this word is still ringing, means now also ringing in the ears of Lanthoi, and that she told to her mother what her father told. Appreciative of her husband for his views, Ashangvi says, "Your father is right. In no, in no society do women enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by men." Means she also, Ashangvi also, she is also means appreciate to her husband's views, husband's thought, because means appreciate means praise. She praise to her. ओके मतलब कौतुक करणे, कौतुक वाटणे. ओके सी prays to of her husband's thought, and means she also said to her daughter, means your father is right, because in nowadays also this society woman does not enjoy the same opportunities which are enjoyed by the men. It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home. And your father is really a best father, and because of him only our house there is no difference, means equality at home. But outside our home I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. Means but yeah, if you are thinking outside of the house, that means women have been subjugated. Subjugated means control and dominated. Means this family control the woman. They does not give the freedom. Means family, if there is a means some husband or some family, they does not give the support to this woman. Understood? And they means they control and dominate to the woman. Means many families they dominate to the woman, they control the views of women. They does not give the freedom. They does not give the freedom. They do not give the freedom to the woman. Okay. Means subjugated means control and dominated over. It is against the will of God. God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of the equality of life equally, to share his blessing and to enjoy the beauty of nature equally. This is what your topic means. And now Miss Ashangi, she express whatever the topic of Lanthoi for that she want to present. Means she wants to present means that topic means and women's God's created men and women equal. Means she says to Lanthoi, God has sent men and women to earth to share the joys and sorrow equally. Okay, means whatever the life, whatever their sadness or whatever their happiness, whatever that means women and men, they have to share this equally, and that's why God sent to them to share this equally. His blessing and to joy the beauty of nature equally. Means his God blesses to enjoy the beauty of nature equally. This is what your topic means. Means that is only your topic. Means very nicely she explain the topic of Lanthoi. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we will learn the next part of the lesson. Okay. Thank you.